Kids Vision TV.
Hi kids, in this video I am going to draw the unicorn cat and the rainbow. First I am coloring a rainbow, red color.
Subscribe us for more videos.
Now I am coloring orange color in second layer. I am coloring yellow color in third layer. I am coloring a green color in fourth layer. I am coloring a sky blue color in fifth layer. And the last one, indigo color. Now I am coloring in clouds, light blue color. Now I am coloring in grass, light green color, yellow color, light green color, orange color, red color, sky blue color.
Subscribe us for more videos.
Indigo color, light purple color, now I am coloring in clouds, light pink color, belt. I am coloring its air, red color in blue, hearts color in dots. I am coloring a unicorn cat, green color, I am coloring in flower, yellow color, purple color, I am coloring a cute cat.
Subscribe us for more videos.